Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking the branch and activating your virtual environment. This prevents accidental merges. Next, open the model config file and edit core knobs like learning rate, batch size, and optimizer choice so you change behavior predictably. Once done, export the current weights and tag a commit as a checkpoint. That backup lets you roll back quickly. Make sure to record the exact versions of keylibs so rebuilding reproduces results without mystery breakage. You now apply one change and run a short validation loop to see immediate effects. Keep updates incremental so you isolate causes. While it runs, capture loss, accuracy, and throughput. These quick metrics reveal runtime regressions versus gains. Once you have numbers, compare to your baseline and document outcomes in a concise table with parameter values and observations. If an experiment looks promising, scale it up. If not, revert to the tagged checkpoint and try a different knob. You finalize by running a full training with the chosen config and enabling regular checkpoints so you can resume or analyze later. Then update your deployment pipeline. Bump CI jobs, rebuild the container image, and run smoke tests to ensure inference matches expectations. If something breaks, start with gradients and loss curves to spot exploding or vanishing gradients, then confirm environment versions and GPU memory usage. These are the usual culprits, and fixable with stepwise rollback or tiny hyperparameter tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.